This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for custody without a lawyer. First, you'll need to understand your state's specific legal requirements. Research local court websites or legal aid resources to find the correct forms and procedures. Collecting all relevant documents, like birth certificates and financial statements, is a crucial initial step. This preparation ensures you have everything ready before you begin the formal process, setting a strong foundation for your case. Once you have the forms, carefully fill out each section. Accuracy is key. Any missing or incorrect information could cause significant delays. Be sure to provide all details requested, such as names, dates, and addresses. After completing the forms, make several copies for your records, the court, and the other parent. This step is vital for a smooth filing process. After filing your forms with the court, the next critical step is to legally serve the other parent. This means formally notifying them of the custody action. You must follow your state's specific rules for service of process, which often involves a sheriff or a private process server. Always obtain proof of service, as this document confirms the other parent was properly notified and is essential for your court case. Finally, prepare for any court hearings. Organize all your evidence, including documents and any witness information, to present your case clearly and concisely to the judge. Listen carefully to all instructions and be ready to answer questions. Once a decision is made, ensure you fully understand the final custody order, as it outlines the legal arrangements for your child.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.